today's vlog going to be all about this filter I have on the GoPro Hero 9. Okay, what is up, my beautiful people? Crispy gang, what it do for? It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West in the building. Hopefully the audio sounds somewhat okay because the microphone was just big bouncing, biggity bounce all over my daggone helmet while I was trying to tape it back in. Man, how y'all doing, man? I'm gonna be real with you right now. I haven't did a recording in God knows when. I've been using all my old footage till now. So go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you can, just share. I'm looking for at least 3 likes on this video. Woo! Man, I don't know if y'all caught my Tuesday upload. Man, it was hella cool. I know I normally upload like a minute videos, but that 9-minute video was one of my most honest reactions and my most biggest, I don't want to say failures because it wasn't a failure, but it was mostly a slap in the face. Today's vlog going to be all about this filter I have on the GoPro Hero 9. Yes. If you don't want to watch this video or this vlog, this motovlog about that, then let me just tell you something, buddy. Okay, I got 530 videos. I know I got at least one thing that you like over there. At least one. You might not like it all, but I got one in there. So I decided to buy this freaking filter. I want to say it's Telslin. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna show you how much I paid. I think it was like 20 bucks. So the whole thing a filter does is it uncongests your footage, right? So where normally you wouldn't be able to see a horizon or any of those freaking, I don't know if y'all can see that mountain. This is my first time ever, well actually my second. So I bought a filter, it flew off. I bought a professional filter. Like this filter cost me like 80 bucks. So I still got it. It's at the house. So it was a kit. So you know, you got 8, 16, and 32. So the 8 is what I'm using right now in front of the GoPro Hero 9. But those filters, what they do is make your footage look more cinematic, right? It does. You put it at 24 frames per second because you're going pretty fast, all right? And that's how much the sensor needs to be open or something blah blah blah, all that stuff. It's real technical, but it's not. Once you decide that you want to have crispy footage, you'll know exactly what you want. So I believe I'm recording in 5K, which I probably should take it down to 4K only because my editor only won't allow me to preview it. It only allows me to work on it. So you know, when you see any vlogs or anything of that nature, it's pretty hard for me to know or link up the footage. So I pretty much clean off all my memory cards and then do this, but I didn't today because I wasn't sure if I would make this vlog about the filters. These filters are very, very important. Very. I know you have watched somebody's vlogs or motovlog, well, especially mine. I think I released one like 2 weeks ago that was really bright, overly bright. So I tried to go in there and color grade it. It did not turn out right. These filters help with that. I'm gonna put a little bit footage from one without it and one with it. yeah, I'm telling you, this stuff is super important. I'm gonna give you another tip for you motovloggers out there, or people who thinking about being a motovlogger. The IMAX for the GoPro Hero 9. If you decide to go get the GoPro Hero 9, congrats to you. Let me tell you something, that this thing is amazing. I got a vlog coming out soon about the GoPro Hero 10, so I'm not going to touch on it too much, but the GoPro Hero 9 definitely accomplishes everything that you need other than 360. And for 360 footage, we'll talk about that a little bit. I'm thinking about going with the Insta 360. I got a GoPro Hero Fusion, but I think I'm gonna sell it or pawn it. I'm gonna pawn it so I can get money on it. You know what I'm saying? Just be done with it. If they offer me like $100, I'm gonna take it, because I'm pretty much over it. It doesn't really work. It's slow. The technology behind it is really outdated. And I'm seeing the pictures and the videos from the Insta 360, and I'm feeling like, hey, and I'm feeling like that's something that I want to do. What's up, guy? That guy ride every morning, man. Every morning I see this man. But yeah, the Fusion, it's all type of, it's problematic. But if you have the time and you want to put in the effort for that 360 footage, then yeah, let me know. Hopefully I can. I really want to make like at least, whoa, all these bikes. What's today? Thursday? Thursday is sunny. Oh, it's bike night tonight. That's right, it's bike night. Sheesh. Yeah, normally for bike night, people be out here testing out their bikes. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. No, it's not. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. People be out here testing their bikes and stuff. I wish y'all would have seen it yesterday. A Hellcat was like speeding on the road, and for some reason, by the time I caught up to him, he didn't want no smoke. But he was out here, bro. I was watching him, I'm like, dang, he was woo. And then Vegas, and out here in Vegas, they got the biggest giant roads that you will ever see. And it'd be like empty roads, like nobody be on it. So when I see him down there just going, I was like, dude, he ain't playing. I got to see what a Hellcat look like in motion, bro. It's cold. It's cold. It was a lot faster than that freaking 392 I seen, I tell you that. Absolutely nothing, which could absolutely help their brand. But I'm saying, if you're sponsored by them, Scat Pack. So much smoke behind it though. It was like, whoo, it just grabbed the earth and just ran with it. Look at that dually. I love dualies. Do you need a filter? Yeah. I feel like in today's motovlogs, you gotta come with it. You can't just come basic. I know a lot of us is just learning. Me, I'm just rolling with the punches. I'm pretty set in my ways. I'm trying to get the backwards facing going, but you know, that take a lot of effort, but it makes for a good motovlog. I've been catching people stepping up there. It's really dope to see people grow with their editing and cameras and all that, man. It's pretty remarkable, especially the people that like doing this, you know what I mean? Like, oh Lord. The other day I had got caught in some BS, right? I had this dude, for some reason he got mad. So this is what I did. I know it sounds stupid, but yeah. So I was split traffic like this. Split. And he was so mad at his Durango. He was in a Durango, and he like hit it to try to catch me. The thing is, you're not catching no damn bike and no damn Durango. Excuse my language. I do know about that Hellcat Durango. But again, if I wanted to go, like, what the hell going on here? Look at this. See, this is the shit I be talking about. Look at that. Look. Oh shit, they about to do a sting. Oh, holy oh, they got the swats. Hey, look, listen. I ain't gonna lie to you. Vegas cops do it all. I don't care what anybody say, cause we out here in the Wild Wild West, baby, and it gets wild. But as always, it's your boys, Mr. 20 West. A few helpful things. What I'm learning in school right now, I'm learning how to wire a car. Okay, wires, how to read fuses, how to read the wiring schematics. Okay, off and on switches, relays, stuff of that nature. I think I'm gonna give you a full rundown. Let me know in the comment section if you want to hear more about cars. If not, hey, nothing but love and peace, positivity to you. As always, it's your boys, Mr. 20 West. Peace.